Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with confirmed measurements and a clean surface. This matters because adhesion and fit depend on accuracy. Once done, align the protector's inner lip with your marked line so the edge sits centered. Make one cut at the end. Use a sharp utility knife for a square finish. Press a 2. You now lock the protector into final position. This step prevents lifting and reduces wear. Once aligned, press along the length with a roller. Firm, even pressure transfers adhesive and seats the lip. For corners, overlap by 1/2 inch and trim diagonally so the seam lays flat. If the profile is curved, heat the material gently to 180 degrees and bend slowly. This ensures a snug fit without cracking. You finish by trimming and verifying hold. A neat end looks professional and prevents snagging. Once cut, run your hand along the protector and perform a light impact test. If it stays tight, you're done. If you see lifting or gaps, peel the section, re-clean with alcohol, then apply a thin bead of contact adhesive and clamp for 10-15 minutes. This restores bond strength and prevents future separation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.